What's up, guys? So, me and I gonna talk now. I'm want to know reason with me in the comment section. I want to know if you tell me and be honest, right? Wanna think about this. Do you guys believe that man can wash their woman underwear? Tell me in the comment section below. Because where me grew up at Jamaica, alright, I'm telling. My dad home, my board, I'll be gone not too long, about 30 minutes ago. Him and him friends them gonna support a little event. So support for support. If you're gonna keep something, you have to support other people things. So him gone. So I'm there by myself. So something just coming in my mind, from early child days. I remember when me grew up at Clarendon, Jamaica, no man down there so no wash their woman panty. Every man down there so when me know of in my community, lick out pan washing woman panty. So, me I tell you, not even if you take them up off of the line. A woman will wash them panty and hang it up outside pan the line, and the man don't even want to take it off of the line. No, I want to talk to me in the comment section because me not tell no lie. A reality me I talk about. When my husband, tomorrow morning when me get up, me I go add what my husband say about this. Me I go ask him the question. Because I asked him the question before, but I don't remember what him say. But in my head, because me know how my husband feel and how my husband deal with me no feel say he would have no problem doing it. Me no say when me and him did live back home, me remember ask him to take it up already after the line, and him take it up. I mean, me wash my panty, me no sick. But me just say if me should have sick or anything should have happened. And I feel her up. I do whatever you want to do. Man, but you get it together. I tell a woman say, you now wash or take up them panty. So a woman would have take up your underwear and wash it, take it up off a line. The mind shop iron it. Our woman for do that. I you as a man nah do that. Me want to know what the difference. Why me can wash yours and you can wash mine. I mean, me not sick. I me wash my own clothes. But at the same time, God forbid me not day here. I me have clothes, me have things. Shouldn't be a problem. Me not even need to ask my husband this question because me know say he will wash it. But me I gotta ask him in person. Uncle man me no knowledge. Because if you can take off a woman underwear, whether if she freshly shower or not, if you can take it off her, why the hell you can't take it up off a line? Yo, let me tell you something now. There's something on the right, A foolishness this. Them a man ya, then lack of understanding. Them fool plus tax. Although me the fool too. But me not even see the sense in that from day one. Why a man should have come up with, or somebody should have come up with that. Why a woman have? Why you so afraid of washing her underwear? What is wrong with her underneath that you are afraid to wash her underwear? So if you can't have sex with a woman when she clean or she dirty, why is it that you can't wash her underwear? Your body texture going there. Your hand for some reason I get there. Why is it that you can't wash it? It just don't make no sense to me. Why somebody come up with that in the first place? If you say, oh, me now wash my woman underwear. Wanna tell me? Cause Me don't even know why this even come into full play from the beginning. Because if you want enter a woman, whether she clean or she dirty, why is it that you can't wash her underwear? Why is it that you wash her underwear, put pan line, and you take up the rest of the clothes them and leave her underwear for it up in the rain? Unbelievable. Me just curious and want to know who would have come up with this and which man in the world still don't do this. Still, I said they not do it. Well, you do have some countrymen who believe in a certain things and they still not change. But civilized man me attack. Man with knowledge, wisdom and understanding, knowing say they put them for them whatever they want put in there. So, what the difference? Why the panty way, no the in the way you are enter? What the panty? Uno stop there sitting there. Uno fi stop it. Man fi stop do then sitting there. Me literally say me I go ask me husband, me lay down in here and me a think. It just come in my mind and me I say, and if people still do then something there, and if man still do then something there, make them woman panty wet up her pan line out a door. And me would have like to know if any other man do them something they like. Me know Jamaican man, cause as me say, me no talk to no other culture. Me never date no other culture, so me don't know if them like that. Me no know. But it just weird. It just weird. Me want know if man of Africa do it. Me want know if other black man do it from other country. Me want know if them do that. Or just Jamaican full man them do it. The full one them me attack. Me not attack the one them with sense. Me attack about the full one them. Because it's just full. Uno get it together. But uno not wash panty. And uno not take up panty off a line. Really? So uno not take it off and get pleasure. Uno not take it off then. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. No, that one is sweet, bad. Because it me just remember myself I have to talk about it. It's sweet. But anyways, it's sweet but it's bitter. Because una scan we in a certain way, but when you don't want no pleasure, una not scan we. Bullshit. Cut it out. Bless up on yourself. One love. Although on a fool. Somewhere down the line, you're uncatching at things we're not supposed to catch in. Like poop. And you wash it with soap, right? If you scan a woman so bad, why you can't go wash her panty and go wash your hand with soap? Woman clean baby poo-poo all the time. They hand catching it. All big people poo-poo. They hand catching it. Cow poo-poo, dog poo-poo, whatever poo-poo. So why not woman panty where you can't wash? Tell me, why you scan it and you are going to lock up yourself with that the woman day? Fire phone. Alright, guys. But they are chill. So Obi come home. So now, in the beginning of the video, me tell you say, me go ask him the question if he would have wash my panty. The topic was about man washing panty. So here what him a go say. Here him answer what him a go say now. And then we close out this video. Alright, babes. So tell the people them now if you would have washed my panty.
Your panty? Your panty?
Yes, my panty.
That'd be a job. That'd be a job.
Just tell the people them straight and nobody go around the corner with the people them if you don't wash your panty or not.
Maybe. Maybe I wash it, but not the one them, not the big one, not the sheet them. Not the sheet one them.
Listen, stop joking about this thing and telling people them the truth.
Not the sheet one them, yeah. Some big one them eat. I wash them there. Take them to train a fire you can light them.
Murder. Boy.
But if me don't wash a panty, circumstances, on a normal basis, just regular, we just take up your panty them and go wash them.
Alright, first of all.
No,
Yeah, finish, babe. Let me finish.
we just take them up and go wash them, so. No. I mean, not even wash my underwear them. My drawers them.
Who wash your jars them?
Yo.
A machine wash them, brother, be. Machine wash them. But
even if I'm a machine, I don't me wash them. So if me go wash your underwear, it have to be circumstances. You know, circumstances meaning it have to be like sickness. You know.
and it not have to be like sickness.
So what
If
else
me in the position, so for instance, say you the woman, me there work and me work some crazy hours and you not work them crazy hours and you have the opportunity for the woman, you know, help around in the house and clothes, laundry for do. We don't know what I'm saying.
If I do my laundry, unless you don't mind your panty going at the machine.
So
Moon call that say me wash them. Just put them in a machine in the home, the washing machine in the home. Put them in a machine. And I like a Jamaica where you sit them on bad pan and then you hang on pan line and then something there. You put them in a machine, unless you don't mind it, but if some people don't want them panty, some women don't want them panty going in a machine.
well,
so them wash them.
When a Jamaica is different. First of all, you panty them here. You can't go spread them out pan line out there. So this is dust, yeah. You don't want them dust they catch from your panty seat.
Dust, where dust there?
What you mean? Dust blow everywhere.
More dust there in Jamaica there, sir. It's a be a concrete there, sir.
And then not just that, but you don't have nowhere out here so for hang up clothes. So you have to put them in the machine anyways when you wash them. Hanging them up in a bathroom, I don't think that make no sense. So you have to just wash them. You can wash them, hang them up, them dry, and then you put them in the laundry. So when you wash, you just put them in your laundry. You put a bunch of them in a laundry.
So
but there's different way or you can maintain your underwear.
I don't know if that you ask me a question. You answer a question.
Yeah, and your answer is alright because me now go just me uno be comfortable for just have you wash my panty. No. Me uno comfortable with that. Not do me not sick. The main fact that me healthy.
But you just say what I go say if you're there work or so.
Yeah.
I mean the home. I may say.
So
putting them in the machine, them wash, and then after washing, dryer. That is not Buno look on it as washing panty. Washing panty is like
when you take up your hand and sit down and use sit down on pan.
Like if you use a woman
sit down on pan and wash panty.
When we live in Jamaica. Some women when you live in Jamaica. If you even have a washing machine in Jamaica, some women would rather wash them panty with their hand.
Yeah, me too. Me with cake soap and something. Me used to put them soap them put in with cake soap and wash my panty them myself.
So it's a case like that.
Yeah.
So it's a case like that now. For wash it with my hand and then with it. Same thing I'm gonna say. Normally, on a normal day, I now just get to take them up and go wash them. So and you know Jamaica go? With all them worse in the garrison. Zinc fence on them with and sometimes part of the fence go down drop down. You don't want nobody to pass and say something bad.
But that are them. When you
back in them days you don't want that.
Yeah.
And then I'll hang up on the pan line. You think as a man, you don't want nobody a man not gonna want nobody to see my hang up on that's the reason why enough man say they want to wash panty, you know?
But them are idiot because if a man cannot take off a woman panty, whether the woman clean or dirty, you have man to take off the woman panty when them come from work, when they just come from work at evening time, then can't wait till the woman go bathe or something. And you want to take care of the panty dirty. when you take it off, so why not it where you're afraid for wash? What?
Yeah, me
You
tell
you
you,
you
say,
are enter the woman.
enough man is not afraid, them afraid to wash it.
Yeah, a fool and fool.
I just people. Because all
And so
Jamaica, in the ghetto, or the ghetto set up, or ghetto set up at Jamaica, people can just pass and look over your fence and see it in your yard. You know?
yeah, a people why them say that.
Yeah, no man no
And if
want.
me
No
can
man no
wash
want.
yours, me no see why you can't wash man.
No man no want.
A real man can wash them woman panty. You know,
No
if
man no want. No
compulsory
man no
come.
want nobody
Cause
to see him and wash him man.
me
Worse I like hang out to man panty and wash and hang out to man.
me
Worse
now
if a young person, a young youth, young man or a young boy, them not do that. Them will do it, but them will hide and do it. But them just the thought of somebody seeing them, and that's the reason why enough man said them wouldn't do it. Them don't want nobody to see them. If it wasn't that, because me that thing see me too. Like when I'm much younger. Me that's the point blank no, without hesitation. But no, me not say me not young like back then. No, me not go jump up and say no. Me would do it. But circumstances, but back then, you know, I think about circumstances, you just say, oh no, now wash no woman panty.
yeah. But now you're a big man, but you still have big man that say them something the same when I lick out against it and I'll wash them panty put pan line and you take up clothes and left panty for wet up in a rain. Nah, bullshit. Anyway guys, I'm closing out this video. I hope this answer makes sense to you. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Share it if you care, guys. We are out. Peace. Man, put them finger in there. Then put them tongue in there. Then do all kind of something. All kind. And you have some who say they not even take up the panty off a line. They now wash the panty. So if you have man, I do all of that. Me did have a Cuban doctor who tell me say a proper cleaning woman, something is cleaner than human mouth. Me believe that. Me. Because don't they not eat no food? It a let out, yes. But I know nothing bad. Yes, it a let out ways, but at the same time, I walk clean and fresh, so. Now talk about woman where I sleep with Tom, Dick and Harry, no brother. Now talk about one burner coal stove. Right? Although a man can out there sleep with Tom, Dick and Harry as well. But if you know your body and know how your body is, you can know that. You can know that. Okay? You can know if a truth or a lie. But the problem is, them fool man here we are talking about they don't wash woman panty. Them a madman. Clean clothes madman them. Clean clothes madman them there.